GLP, YouTube. I have an urgent message and I think I know what's going to happen soon. As you know, Occupy Wall Street is coming closer to starting havoc in the streets, even more havoc. Just today I read an article that said, I posted in the link on MSN.com, protesters stream past millionaires' New York City homes. You know what this reminds me of? Eating the rich. Eating the rich. I'll show you an image of it right now. Eating the rich. It's a card created by Steve Jackson from the NWO cards 1994 to 1995 edition. Just look at the cards. Steve Jackson knew what he was talking about. These events are happening surely but slowly. The next thing on this list is the eruptions of El Chiro, the Canary Islands. This will be under volcano. My prediction is that El Chiro is building up enough force underground and gonna create a huge tidal wave, like whoosh, a huge tidal wave that will in turn hit the East Coast very soon. It could be today, tomorrow, this week, who knows, but it's gonna be very soon. I'll show you images if you don't believe me. Steve Jackson knew, and so I'm letting everyone else on this channel know. Subscribe to my channel, Shadow Agent Fox and Nostradamus 944. I go by the name Shadow Fox and Kid Nostradamus 944. The predictions are coming more clear to me. Something big is erupting on Wall Street and something big is erupting on the Canary Islands. It's only a matter of time before things get really hit wire. So be on the lookout.